Mr. Michael, social studies teacher. This video is in two parts. The first part is the slides of the lecture notes. The second part is an explanation of the lecture notes. You can pause the video to copy the lecture notes onto your lecture notes outline. Make sure to answer the bonus questions at the end for a chance to get extra credit on the assessment. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin.
Part 1. Lecture Notes. Part 2. Explanation of the lecture notes. The Road to Revolution. In the early 20th century, Russia was a nation ripe for change. Autocratic rule under Alexander III and his successor Nicholas II set the stage for widespread social unrest. Strict censorship, oppressive policies against minority languages and religions, and brutal responses to any form of dissent. This created unrest among the people. Industrialization, while a step towards modernity, brought its own set of challenges, increasing the divide between the wealthy and the working poor. The spark of revolution. Failures in the Russo-Japanese War revealed the government's weaknesses. Workers demanded reforms. The response was Bloody Sunday, where many were killed. This event fueled nationwide strikes and violence. The creation and dissolution of the Duma, Russia's first parliament, demonstrated Nicholas II's reluctance to share power. World War I and its aftermath. World War I strained Russia even more. The toll was heavy. Losses on the battlefield were immense. At home, people faced shortages. The March Revolution of 1917 led to the Tsar's abdication. The Bolsheviks, led by Lenin, promised change. They initiated radical reforms. They ended Russia's involvement in World War I with the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk. But this peace came at a great territorial cost: the Civil War. A brutal civil war followed. The Red Army faced the anti-Bolshevik White Army. The Bolsheviks emerged victorious. They solidified their control over Russia. Under Lenin's leadership, the new economic policy was introduced. It attempted to stabilize Russia's economy and also lay the groundwork for a socialist state. This led to the formation of the USSR. Comparing revolutions. The Russian Revolution shared more similarities with the French Revolution than the American Revolution. They both sought to completely dismantle the old social and political order through violence, totalitarianism. Under Stalin, the USSR became a totalitarian state. He used intense control over public and private life, extensive use of propaganda, indoctrination, censorship, and persecution to maintain power and suppress opposition. This era saw the transformation of the Soviet Union into a global superpower. However, it was at the cost of personal freedoms and widespread terror. Bonus questions. Write your answers in the comments below. What were the causes of the Russian Revolution? How did Stalin maintain his control over the Soviet Union?
Thank you for watching. Good luck on your assessment.